Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add a new email address on your iPhone. So if you've signed up to a new email address, this is very easy to add to your iPhone. First, head over to your iPhone settings here on your home screen. Now on the main iPhone settings, what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down until you get to the Mail app, and we want to tab into that. Now in the Mail app, you'll see Accounts here, and we want to tab into that. Now in the Accounts section, you'll see all your accounts listed that are currently on your iPhone, but to add a new account, we'll select Add Account here. The iPhone will give you all these options to add an email account, which makes it easy to add it to your iPhone. So let's say you have a new Gmail account, you'll simply click the Google section here, and then you'll be prompted to sign in to your email address, and then this will be added to your iPhone. It is as simple as that. However, if you have an outside email preference, and it is not on the list, you can select Other here at the bottom. Then at the top of this Add Account, you'll see Add Mail Account. Then on this page, you'll need to enter your name, email, password, and the email description. Then on the next page, once you've entered all that information, you'll need to enter the POP information. This should all come with the email provider. So that's two different ways how to add an email address to your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.